Hello, everyone. I'm going to do a quick fact check here of a claim about when a fetal heartbeat begins by Stacey Abrams.
There is no such thing as a heartbeat at 6 weeks. It is a manufactured sound designed to convince people that men have the right to take control of a woman's body away from her. There is
Okay, now you heard what she said. There's no such thing as a heartbeat at 6 weeks. It is a manufactured sound designed to convince people that men have the right to take control of a woman's body. Now, is that true? No, it's not true. It's a commonly accepted part of fetal development that the heartbeat begins around 6 weeks of into the pregnancy. Now let's look at a nonpartisan, credible source of medical information. In fact, if anything, they probably lean to the left politically. The Cleveland Clinic, breaking down fetal development here in the different stages. Month 2, weeks 5 through 8. Among other things, it says the head is large in proportion to the rest of the body. At this point, at about 6 weeks, a heartbeat can usually be detected. And that's obviously the case in most pregnancies. Now, they're going to parse it and they're going to say, well, it's not really a fully formed heart and it's more of a pulse. It's not beating yet, but this is this is what we call misinformation, because most people know exactly what happens at that point in the pregnancy. If you've ever been pregnant, or you've been around somebody that's pregnant and they've gone to get their checkup, oftentimes the doctor will play for them their child's heartbeat. It's, it happened to me when I had my son, and I went to the doctor with my wife. It's a commonly accepted piece of medical information. And I fear that this is going to become the new talking point of the left, and a lot of these medical institutions are going to start caving, and this website will be scrubbed 6 months from now, or a year from now, or 2 years from now, because it's going to become politically incorrect to say that the heartbeat begins at 6 weeks. They're going to change it. They're going to change it to something else. Now, Stacey Abrams feels very entitled to be the next governor of Georgia. She claims that she didn't lose the election in 2018 when she did. She's down in all the polls now and is very likely to lose. So I think to some extent she's getting desperate. The media is not going to fact check her on this, or if anything, they're going to say she's right, and they're gonna say, well, you didn't quite catch the comma here, and you didn't quite understand what she was saying. But I think she was very clear in what she says. I think the vast majority of people disagree with her. Um, but we'll see. We'll see if my prediction comes true, that a lot of these medical institutions are going to start changing this, if this becomes seen as a new cause of the political left. But what do you all think? Have you gone through this? Do you think this is going to become the new talking point? Let me know what you all think, and I will see you all on the next one.